Hello, welcome to Newton Stories. Do you remember the story of Elmer? Well, today we're going to be looking at another adventure with Elmer and his friend Wilbur. I wonder what they're going to be doing today. Here we go. Elmer and the Big Bird by David McKee. Elmer, the patchwork elephant, was watching his cousin Wilbur. Wilbur was playing voice tricks for some friends. He was making his voice come from trees a long way off. Strange, thought Elmer. No birds around. They love Wilbur's voice tricks. I wonder where they can be. Elmer left the others and went to find the birds. As he walked, he called out, "Yoo-hoo, birds, where are you?" Suddenly, a bird flew out of a cave and said, "Shh, Elmer, quickly, come inside." The cave was full of birds. "We're hiding from that huge nasty bully bird that's on the red rock," they said. "He frightens us. Have you seen him?" "No," said Elmer. "I'll go and talk to him." "That won't do any good," sighed a bird as Elmer left. Sure enough, there was a big bird on the rock. "Hello, you're new here," said Elmer. "You're welcome to stay, but please don't frighten the little birds." "Frighten them? They'll do as I say, or I'll do more than frighten them," screeched the bird. "I like to frighten, and I'll decide if I stay or not." Elmer returned to Wilbur and the others and told them about the bully bird. "If he won't stop being nasty," said Elmer, "I'll need your help and the help of the really big bird." "The really big bird?" asked Wilbur. "Yes," said Elmer. "Here's the plan." Next, Elmer went back to the birds and said, "You're right. The bully is awful. We might need the really big bird." "The really big bird?" asked the little birds in chorus. "Yes," said Elmer, and he explained what he intended to do. And then said, "That bully gets one more chance. If he's still nasty, I'll call the really big bird." The bully bird saw Elmer coming. "Stupid elephant," he muttered. "I'll scare him." And he dived straight at Elmer. Elmer hummed a little tune and pretended not to notice. The bird hurtled down, screamed, and at the last minute swooped up again to his rock. Elmer acted as if nothing had happened. "Are you all right?" Elmer asked. "You sounded frightened." "Frightened? Me?" scoffed the bully bird. "Huh, fat chance." "Well," said Elmer, "the birds have a friend much bigger than you. Leave them in peace, or I'll call him." "Bigger than me? Impossible!" shrieked the bully bird. "Leave them in peace indeed. Call him. Go on, call him." Elmer trumpeted loudly. A deep voice came from far away. "Who's the horrible bully who frightens little birds?" At a distance, something started to rise. At that moment, there was the sound of running, and the animals all came racing by. "Run for it, Elmer!" they called. "The really big bird is coming!" He can't be that big," stammered the bully bird. The rising shape was an enormous bird. "Let's see what a really nasty bird can do," came the voice. Oh no, I've just remembered," said the bully bird. "It's my uncle's birthday. I must go." And he left very quickly. "Come back, coward," called the voice, but the bully bird had gone. The huge bird came closer, changed shape, and started to break up. It wasn't one bird. It was all the small birds flying closely together. Laughing happily, they began to land. Wilma came out of hiding as the animals returned. "Well done, everybody," said Elmer. "I loved the voice, Wilbur." "Thank you all," said one of the small birds. "Now we can live normally again." From the distance came the voice of the really big bird. "That's what I call togetherness." Elmer laughed. "Thank you, Wilbur. I couldn't have put it better myself." And that's the story of Elmer and the really big bird. Remember, if ever the people are bullying us, we stick together. Bye-bye.